Which way does the wind blow? Well, it doesn't matter to me anymore.
I'm starting off by priming my face. Now I'm just applying foundation to my face. I'm applying concealer to my under eyes, my forehead, my cupid's bow, and my chin. Now I'm just blending all that out. Setting my eye area with the loose powder. I'm getting rid of my foundation lips. I'm just filling my eyebrows, trying to make them look as natural as possible. I'm putting a light wash of this cotton candy color all over my lid. On the outer corner, I'm applying purple eyeshadow. Now I'm adding shimmers using a cream eyeshadow. Now I'm adding rhinestones to the inner corners of my eyes. Next, I'm drawing on my eyeliner. To tie this whole look together, I decided to add purple to my under eye area. Now I'm just curling my eyelashes and putting on mascara. I'm just bronzing up my face. Using a pastel pink color, I applied it to the apples of my cheeks. Moving on to lips, I'm first lining them. I'm filling my lips in using that same lip liner. Lastly, I'm just using a purple tinted lip gloss to finish it all off. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!